Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To have a peace lily that stays lush, glossy, and blooms regularly is not difficult. You just need to apply the right care methods. In today's video, I will share a very simple plant care recipe using familiar kitchen ingredients that anyone can easily do at home. When applied correctly, this method will help your peace lily gradually recover, turn green again, become healthier, and especially bloom more regularly with beautiful, long-lasting white flowers. In addition to peace lily, I also use this solution to fertilize many other plants in my garden. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any useful plant care tips. And now, let's get started. First, I will trim off any wilted, yellow, or damaged leaves to clean up the plant overall. Pruning not only removes weakened parts, but also helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases and bacteria spreading to healthy parts. At the same time, removing old and damaged leaves helps the plant reduce unnecessary nutrient consumption, allowing it to focus on nourishing healthy leaves and stimulating stronger new growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. The next step is the most important part of the video. I use bread as the first ingredient. Bread contains starch, a small amount of protein, and minerals. When processed properly, it can become a mild nutrient source that helps feed beneficial microorganisms in the soil. First, tear the bread into small pieces. This increases the surface area, helping it decompose faster, release nutrients more easily, and improve plant absorption. Next, put all the bread pieces into a clean glass cup. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. The next ingredient I use is sugar. Sugar contains glucose and simple carbohydrates, which provide quick energy for beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Add 1 spoon of sugar to the bread mixture. Then stir well until the sugar completely dissolves and blends into the mixture, helping nutrients distribute evenly and increasing absorption efficiency for the plant. Finally, cover and let the solution sit for 1 hour. After about 1 hour, strain the mixture to remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is a nutrient-rich solution that is easier for plants to absorb, helping nourish roots and support effective recovery and growth. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The next ingredient I use is fresh milk. Fresh milk contains calcium, protein, vitamins, and essential minerals that help supplement plant nutrition, supporting healthy root and leaf development. Add 50 milliliters of fresh milk to the bread and sugar solution. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then stir well so all ingredients are fully combined. This helps nutrients distribute evenly, creating an easy-to-absorb solution that improves root and leaf nourishment and speeds up plant recovery. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute. That's it. We now have a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer for plants. Method 1. Pour the fertilizer solution into a small container. Next, place the peace lily pot into the container. The solution from bread, sugar, and milk will gradually soak upward through the soil, helping the roots absorb nutrients evenly and effectively. As a result, the root system is well nourished, stimulates new root growth, supports faster recovery, greener leaves, and stable development. In addition to peace lily, I also use this solution for roses. Roses are nutrient-demanding plants that need a stable nutrient supply to grow well, maintain green leaves, and bloom regularly. This mixture contains starch, sugar, and minerals from milk, helping strengthen roots, improve soil quality, and support better nutrient absorption. Method 2. Pour the remaining fertilizer solution into a spray bottle. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then lightly mist it evenly over orchids, including leaves, stems, roots, and leaf joints. This spraying method allows natural nutrients such as starch from bread, sugar, and minerals from milk to gently absorb onto the plant's surface. As a result, leaves are better nourished, plant vitality improves, and surfaces of leaves and roots become cleaner, helping reduce mold and harmful bacteria. You can apply this once a week during the first month. Once the plant stabilizes, maintain once a month. Besides peace lily, I also apply this method to snake plants, as they have thick leaves that easily collect dust and need regular cleaning. Spraying this solution helps clean leaf surfaces, keeping them dark green, firm, and glossy, improving photosynthesis and supporting stable growth. At the same time, the mild nutrients help maintain plant vitality and reduce dull or weak-looking leaves. In addition, I also spray it on anthurium. Misting with the bread, sugar, and milk solution provides gentle nutrition, cleans leaf surfaces, and improves nutrient absorption. As a result, the plant grows healthier, with glossy, thick green leaves and stable vitality, creating a strong foundation for future flowering. Results after 2 months. After about 2 months of applying this care method using bread, sugar, and fresh milk, the plants show very noticeable changes. For peace lily, leaves become lush, thicker, and noticeably glossier with clean and firm surfaces. New leaves grow strong and evenly, improving photosynthesis. The root system becomes more stable, allowing the plant to produce white flowers more regularly, longer lasting, and overall look fresher and full of life. For roses, the plant grows stronger with darker green leaves and less yellowing and sturdier stems. More buds form, flowers bloom larger, with brighter colors and longer-lasting beauty, making the plant more vibrant and eye-catching. For anthurium, leaves are darker green, thicker, and less prone to dullness or weakness. The plant grows more balanced, with strong leaf stems and more new leaves emerging, showing clearly improved growth. At the same time, the plant tends to bloom more regularly, with brighter colors and longer-lasting flowers. What do you think about this plant care method using bread, sugar, and fresh milk? Have you tried applying it to your plants? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, plants will grow sustainably and bring long-lasting natural beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips. See you in the next videos.